Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the regression analysis. Okay, this is about the theory portion of this analysis. Statistical techniques in geography. This is an important topic in UGC NET examination paper 2. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start the class. In this class, we will cover what is regression analysis, then regression line and equation, types of regression, least square methods, standard error of estimate, coefficient of determination, quick revision, and MCQ practices. Okay. First of all, what is regression analysis? Definition: a statistical technique used to determine the relationship between two or more variables to make prediction of one variable on the basis of one or more other variables. This is known as regression analysis. Okay, there are two types of variable: dependent variable, regressed or explained. The variable being predicted or explained, also called regression, and independent variable, also known as regressor and predictor. The variable used to make predictions, also called explanatory variable. Utility of regression analysis. Utilities: estimates values of regressed variables from values of regressor variables. Obtains a measure of error involved in using regression line for estimation. Measures degree of association, correlation between two variables. Regression line and equation. The best fit line through data points. A regression line is a tool for estimating the value of one variable from the value of the other, drawn through points to represent the average relationship between two variables. Okay, this is the formula for regression equation: y on x, y is equal to a plus bx, where a is equal to y-intercept, value of y when x is 0, and b, slope of the line. If x is dependent variable, x is equal to c plus dy. Two regression lines always exist for x and y: regression of x on y and regression of y on x. Okay, key assumptions in regression analysis: actual relationships exist between dependent and independent variable. Values of dependent variable are random. Independent variable values are fixed. Regression estimates values within valid range only, not outside. The relationship remains constant till the regression equation is calculated. Only one dependent variable in simple regression, multiple allowed to. Okay, then types of regression: single, multiple, and standard multiple. Simple linear regression predicts one variable from another single variable. Example: predict height, inch, and from weight, LBS. Use equation y is equal to a plus bx. Plot on graph weight on x-axis, height on y-axis. A cluster of upward sloping points, positive relationship. Then multiple regression estimates relation between variables using additional third variables. Example: gain in weight due to quitting smoking. Accounts for age, race, education, follow-up duration, changes in physical activity, and reproductive history also included. More predictors, more accurate model. Standard multiple regression, same idea as simple linear but with several independent variables. Predicts dependent variable from multiple predictors. Example: predict height from both weight and gender. Output R-square value, proportion of variance accounted for. Significance F-test, p is equal to less than 0.05 means model is significant. Okay, R-square, proportion of variation in dependent variable explained by predictors. Significance tested at p is equal to less than 0.05. Estimation of regression equation. Four methods used for estimation. Method 1, scatter diagram method. Examine graph of known data called scatter diagrams. Gives two types of info. Pattern indicates if variables are related and what kind of the line equation describe the relationships. Then least squares method draws regression lines so that sum of squares of vertical deviations of actual and estimated y is minimum. Thus a line of regression becomes the line of best fit. Okay, least square normal equation y on x. These are some formula. Standard error of estimate, measuring the reliability of the regression equation. Standard error of estimate is the measure variation of observations around the computed regression line. It is the variability from the regression line, smaller SE, that means better fit. Formula SE of y on x, this is the formula. Notation guide, SEYX means standard error of the estimate, y is equal to observed value of y, ye estimated value of y, e error term y minus ye, and number of observations in sample. Okay, coefficient of determination r square, measuring extent of association between variables. R square is a parameter by which we measure the extent of strength of the association that exists between two variables x and y. It tells us what proportion of variation in the dependent variable is explained by regression on the independent variable. This is the formula: TSS, RSS, and ESS. Okay, key identity: TSS is equal to RSS plus ESS. Interpreting r square is equal to 1, that means perfect fit, all variation explained by regression. R square 2, that means r square is equal to 0, that means no relationship, regression explains nothing. R square is equal to 0.7, that means 70% of validation. Variation in y is explained by x strong. P is equal to less than 0.05. Model is statistically significant, not by chance. Two regression lines. Why are 3 always two lines? Regression of y on x, y is equal to a plus bx, used to predict y for given x, gives best estimate of y, any specific value of x, minimizes vertical deviations. Regression of x on y, x is equal to c plus dy, used to predict x for given y, gives best estimate of x for any specific value of y, minimizes horizontal deviations. Key facts about two regression lines. The two regression lines intersect at the point of average of x and y. If perfect positive or perfect negative correlation, both lines overlap, only one line appears. Distance between the two lines determining factor of degree of correlation between variables. If lines are far apart, if lines are far apart, degree of correlation is less. If close together, correlation is high. If variables are unrelated, regression lines are at the right angle to each other. Okay, concept, formula or key point, and exam tips. Regression line, y on x, y is equal to a plus bx, b is equal to slope, a is equal to y intercept. Regression line, x on y, x is equal to c plus dy, d is equal to slope, c is equal to x intercept. Slope b, y on x, b is equal to summation x square minus n x by y, bracket close, divided by summation x square minus n x square. Numerator, covariation, denominator, variance of x. Y intercept a, y is equal to y minus bx, both lines pass through x and y. Standard error, y on x, this is the formula, n minus 2 is equal to 2 df lost, smaller sc, standard error, that means better fit. Coefficient of determinants, r square, 1 minus ess divided by tss, this is the exam tip. Okay, tss identity, tss is equal to rss plus ess. Significant levels, p is equal to less than 0.05, that means significant, and social science standard 0.05 is less than and are not more than 0.01, marginal. These are some MCQ practices for UGC NET examination. Regression 1. A regression line gives the best estimate to the value of one variable for any specific value of the other. The line of regression on y on x is answer B. The correct answer, y is equal to a plus bx. Question 2. In the formula of standard error of estimate SEYX, where y is n minus 2 used instead of n in the denominator. Correct answer option number B, because the 2 degrees of freedom are lost. 2 degrees of freedom are lost in basing estimate on sample variability. When two regression lines are far from each other, it indicates that the degree of correlation between the two variables is, correct answer option number C, less. The farther the lines, the lower the correlation. Okay, regression analysis determines statistical relationship between two variables and makes predictions. Y is equal to a plus bx is y on x, x is equal to c plus dy is x on y. There are always two regression lines for two variables. Both regression lines intersect at the mean point x and y, where r is equal to plus minus 1, lines overlap. Least square methods, the line drawn so that sum of squares of vertical deviation is minimum. SEYX n minus 2, because 2 degrees of freedom are lost, smaller SE, that means better model fit. R square minus 1 minus R square is equal to 1 minus ESS divided by TSS, range 0 to 1. R square 1 means perfect fit. P is less than 0.05, that means statistically significant. Okay, that's all for today. The class is basically on the theory portion of this type of analysis. Okay, if you are going to more details in the practical session, the concept will be more clear. Okay, keep watching. That's all for today. If you have any doubt in query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.